Electron here. We'll talk about science and electronics. It's late, but I'm excited. Got home from work and I'm really tired. Got my coffee. It's weird. It said, good morning. Ironic. Okay, anyways. But I got a Ring camera. Of course, I did a unboxing for Arlo. Didn't go so well. I should have a video on a review later on in that, but today we're gonna unbox. Actually, I haven't watched any YouTube video and unboxing. I have no idea what's in it. One of the good things I like about this is got 1080 HD video and two-way talk. So that's one of our big things we want. So if we're not home, no one knows if we're home or not. So we're excited. So we're gonna do unboxing. Got my knife. Here goes nothing. Maybe. Oh, cool box. Not bad. Always check your boxes, always. You never know. Not bad. Ooh. A little bit bigger than the Arlo, but I like the light. It got two LED lights. The sensor, the back. Guess I have to read the instruction. Ooh. Sticker. What do you think? On the computer? It's all clean, ready for more stickers. We'll see. Package. Instruction. If you get stuck. Screws. More screws. Batteries. The mount. USB. Ooh, this is cool. Drill bit. Holes in your wall. There's holes in the wall from the Arlo, so we talk about that. Ooh, nice little screwdriver. Comes in handy for other things. All right. So that's it, guys. Got the battery. So we'll make sure the battery is charged. Got a connector at the back. Interesting. You open it from back here. Wait, got two slots for two batteries? Does it take two batteries? I gotta go to instruction. Does it take two batteries or one? Why does two space? Oh no. Dang it. All right, let's see what's going on. Oh, take one battery, but I guess the other one is for backup. Nice. So I guess good to buy two, have two batteries just in case. All right. So that's it for the unboxing. I will do the setup. May do it tonight. I'm crazy like that. All right, catch you guys later.